If you didn't know this already, baking soda and vinegar are a match made in heaven. While both pantry staples can be used for effective cleaning alone, thanks to baking soda's abrasive and deodorizing properties and vinegar's acid content, they're a powerhouse when combined. Let's jump right into the uses of baking soda and vinegar around the house. 1. Laundry assist. You can add vinegar and baking soda to your washing machine together. The baking soda will brighten your clothes, while adding vinegar to your rinse cycle will get rid of any lingering odors and prevent your laundry from being too stiff or starchy. No need to use fabric conditioner if you're washing your clothes with vinegar. 2. Unclog plugs. Kitchen plugs can get clogged with all sorts of nasties, from food and oil to dirt and even some cleaning products. Bathroom sinks are the same, though hair is the main clogging culprit there. When a drain gets blocked, you'll probably notice that water empties at a slower rate, and there's a bad smell coming from your sink. Luckily, if you don't have any drain cleaner on hand, unclogging your plug is as simple as pouring baking soda into your plug hole, followed by vinegar. The vinegar and baking soda combined will produce an immediate reaction that should help break down grease and dirt, helping to get rid of the source of the blockage. Because baking soda is a natural deodorizer, it'll help get rid of any nasty smells, too. 3. Clean a stainless steel sink. For its name, stainless steel can still get pretty stained over time. If your stainless steel sink has picked up grease, food, and other unpleasant sights and smells over weeks of use, save your money on expensive cleaning products and opt for baking soda and vinegar as a natural cleaning solution. Just make a paste by mixing equal parts white vinegar and baking soda, then dip a cloth into the paste and use it to wipe down your sink. Leave it for 5 minutes before washing away with water. Then give it a good wipe down once more using a cloth. 4. Degrease an oven. If your oven isn't self-cleaning, this is one of the most helpful natural cleaning tips for you. Just mix half a cup of lemon juice with a full cup of white vinegar. Add the mixture to a spray bottle and use it to spray the sides and bottom of your oven. After 10 minutes, sprinkle baking soda onto the same areas of your oven. After waiting for another 10 minutes, wipe the solution away with a cloth. You should pull the grime away with the cloth. If you need to repeat, simply add a small amount of hot water to your oven and wipe again. 5. Clean bathroom grout. Grout, i.e. the spaces between your tiles, can quickly get clogged with dirt and mold after being exposed to a damp environment. To keep your grout looking nice and clean, use baking soda and vinegar. Just combine a cup of baking soda with enough vinegar to form a paste. Dip a toothbrush into the paste and apply the paste to your grout. Let it sit for up to 10 minutes before wiping off. To remove any leftover baking soda, wipe the area with warm water after. 6. Soften paintbrushes. When paintbrushes haven't been used in a long time, they can get so stiff that even a bit of warm water won't soften them up. In this case, you need to resort to a special cleaning solution. This is one of the best tips for you. Just combine half a gallon of water with half a gallon of white vinegar and a cup of baking soda. Add your paintbrushes to the hot water mixture. The baking soda and vinegar will work to help banish the stiffness. 7. Remove carpet stains. If you need help getting a stain out of your carpet fast, mix baking soda and water with salt and vinegar. Add the baking soda vinegar cleaning solution to the stain. Make sure it resembles a paste. Add more baking soda or reduce your vinegar and water content if not. Leave the mixture to dry before vacuuming away. 8. Scrub tough tea and coffee stains. No matter how much you pride yourself on having a clean home, no amount of scrubbing can remove certain tea and coffee stains. But there's no need to resort to chemical cleaning products to get your mugs sparkling again. You can combine baking soda and vinegar, white vinegar's best, to remove stains from mugs. Just mix equal parts baking soda and vinegar, then dip a scrubbing brush or toothbrush into the mixture and use it to scrub your afflicted mugs. For extra effect, soak your mugs in this solution, then wipe away the stains with a cloth. Rinse thoroughly and leave to dry. 9. Wash fruits and veggies. Not all of us can afford organic fruits and veggies, which means the produce we bring home may still be laced with pesticides and other nasty chemicals. You can use bicarbonate soda to help clean the surface of your fruits, or combine with white vinegar for even better results. Your cleaning won't affect the taste of your produce. Just make sure to rinse it well after you've applied the baking soda and vinegar. 10. Clean bathroom surfaces. Many of the commercial products used for cleaning bathrooms are toxic and bad for our respiratory health. Using baking soda and vinegar is one of the best bathroom cleaning hacks if you're looking for an effective natural alternative. Just mix a quarter cup of baking soda with white vinegar and a tablespoon of dish detergent. Stir the mixture until it's thick and creamy, then apply to your bathroom surfaces. Let it sit for 5 minutes before wiping away with a clean towel. You can also dilute with water and add to a cleaning spray bottle if you like. 11. Scrub your toilets. Trying to keep a toilet bowl clean is an ongoing challenge, especially if you have a house full of messy children. If your toilet cleaners aren't doing the job, try adding half a cup of baking soda to your toilet bowl. Leave it for 10 minutes, then scrub clean with a toilet brush as usual. You can follow up with a cup of diluted white vinegar, leaving it to soak overnight before scrubbing and flushing in the morning. It'll sparkle like it's brand new. 12. Soak shower heads. Many of us have hard water in our homes. The calcium and magnesium minerals in this type of water can stick to surfaces in the form of soap scum and limescale, which is peaky throughout the home, especially in the bathroom. If your shower head has become clogged with limescale and you're keen to clean it, vinegar is your answer. Just unscrew your shower head and place it in a solution of 1 part vinegar, 2 parts distilled clean water. Leave for 15 minutes. You should find that most of the residue has come away from your shower head, and giving it a scrub should remove the rest. 13. Clean children's toys. If you're a parent, you're probably in need of more cleaning tips than most. Children's toys, for instance, are some of the dirtiest items in a home. One of the best natural cleaning hacks to keep them fresh and remove grime is to add them to a bucket of baking soda and boiling water. Leave them for at least 15 minutes. 20 minutes is preferable. Then give them a good rinse and dry them thoroughly before handing back over to your children. 14. Sanitize sponges. Have you ever stopped to think how dirty your kitchen sponges are? To prevent a buildup of bacteria, you just need a teaspoon of baking soda and a cup of clean water. Soak sponges in this baking soda water mix every day after using to make sure they stay nice and clean. You can follow this hack by microwaving your waterlogged sponge to completely remove any nasties. Afterward, rinse and use as normal. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on how to clean a toilet using baking soda and vinegar. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.